Hello, I am Ryan Sawyer. I am the audit partner at Sawyer Assurance. We're a CPA firm that's located in Colleyville, Texas. It's in the DFW area. And we started in 2019, and we do nothing but financial statement audits, reviews, and compilations.
Hi, I'm Kat, and we have a small team, with each one of us having distinct roles in our various audit areas of planning, fieldwork, and reporting.
Hi, I'm Sarah. We do about 50 engagements a year. Most of the companies we work with are on the smaller side, and most of the companies are going to be not-for-profit or construction with a few others sprinkled in.
I'm in charge of the planning section, and this is where we gather information about each of our clients, the industry that they're involved in, how their operations are run, their financing and their investments, and their competitive environment. We also prepare preliminary analytics. We gather all this information together, and then we develop a set of procedures to do in our fieldwork section.
I'm in charge of fieldwork. We ask for contracts and invoices to compare to the client's financials. We discuss transactions with the client that need to be discussed, and we record any adjustments that need to be made in order to make the financial statements accurate.
And I'm in charge of the reporting. I take the final audited adjusted numbers and put them into a set of financial statements, including footnotes. And I put our audit opinion report on top of that and provide it to the client for their final review and approval and eventual issuance. So now I'd like to explain a few of the benefits that you would get by working with us. It's a completely remote job. Occasionally we would need to visit clients, but for the most part you can work from home with a firm-provided laptop. We also provide industry standard pay.
Most of those meetings with our clients are online, and you'd get to participate in those. You'd also have direct partner involvement with Ryan. Additionally, since we work at home, we like to get together occasionally to have team building exercises so that we all feel as one moving forward.
You also get to be involved in all the projects, earn real-world accounting, and be included in the engagements from beginning to end.
Yep, so if you think that this will be a good opportunity for you, definitely reach out to us. We would love to hear from you and see if you might be a good fit for our team. Thank you.